dense green jungle at morning light. Puppies wake up and play with butterflies. Human enters to destroy the jungle. Trees falling there and where. And also the puppy's house is broken. At the rainy day, they don't have any type of house. The human cuts whole jungle. And the puppy is sadly sleeping. The puppies grow some plants. A good boys come and they rescue all puppies. Nature feels pain but never stops hoping.